iOS 26, every big feature update. The latest iOS update is just around the corner, and we're excited to share its new features with you. This release promises to bring significant improvements and changes to the iPhone user experience. With enhanced AI capabilities and a redesigned user interface, iOS 26 is set to take the iPhone experience to the next level. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to stay up to date with the latest developments, we've got you covered. In this article, we'll dive into the details of what's new, what's improved, and what's changed in this update, exploring the key features that make iOS 26 a significant release. What to expect from iOS 26. The countdown to iOS 26 has begun, and we're here to guide you through what to expect. As Apple prepares to roll out its latest operating system, users are eager to know when they can upgrade and which devices will be compatible. Apple typically announces the release timeline for new iOS versions during their WWDC event or through a press release. Based on past trends, iOS 26 is expected to be available for download shortly after the official announcement, likely in the fall. Users can check the Apple website for updates on the release date and availability. The update will likely be rolled out in phases, with the latest iPhone models receiving the update first. It's also expected that Apple will provide a list of compatible devices and a detailed release schedule. Compatible devices. iOS 26 is anticipated to be compatible with relatively recent iPhone models, including the latest devices. Users with iPhone models from the past few years can likely expect to receive the update, although older models may not be supported. To check if your device is compatible, you can visit Apple's official website, which will have a list of supported devices once iOS 26 is released. Generally, devices that are a few years old are still supported, but it's always a good idea to check. iOS 26, every big feature update. An overview. iOS 26 represents a major leap forward in iOS development, with numerous enhancements and new capabilities designed to improve your overall iPhone experience. This update is packed with exciting new features and improvements that make your life easier and more enjoyable. Key highlights of the update. The iOS 26 update includes several key features that are sure to enhance your iPhone experience. Some of the most notable iOS 26 features include improved performance optimizations, new AI-powered capabilities, and enhanced security features. These iOS 26 improvements are designed to make your iPhone more intuitive and responsive. Additionally, iOS 26 brings significant enhancements to the camera and photo apps, as well as new messaging features and effects. The update also includes improved health and wellness features, making it easier to track your fitness goals and monitor your well-being. Apple's vision for iOS 26. Apple's vision for iOS 26 is centered around creating a more seamless and integrated user experience. The company has focused on delivering a range of iOS 26 enhancements that work together to make your iPhone more powerful and intuitive. By leveraging the latest advancements in AI and machine learning, Apple aims to provide users with a more personalized and efficient experience. With iOS 26, Apple is pushing the boundaries of what is possible on the iPhone, and users can expect a more streamlined and enjoyable experience. The update reflects Apple's commitment to innovation and its dedication to delivering the best possible experience for its users. Redesigned user interface and experience. The latest iOS 26 update introduces a revamped user interface that's both sleek and intuitive. This significant redesign aims to enhance the overall user experience by making the interface more user-friendly and visually appealing. With a focus on simplicity and functionality, iOS 26 brings a fresh look to your iPhone. The home screen in iOS 26 has seen significant enhancements. New features include an improved app organization system and a more intuitive search function. These changes make it easier for users to navigate and find what they need quickly. The Control Center has been revamped to provide quicker access to frequently used settings. This update includes a redesigned layout that's more intuitive and easier to use. Users can now customize the controls to fit their needs, making it a more personalized experience. iOS 26 introduces new customization options that allow users to personalize their interface further. This includes improved widgets and theme settings. Widget improvements. Widgets have been improved with more interactive features and a cleaner design. Users can now resize widgets to fit their home screen layout better, making it more versatile. Theme settings. The theme settings in iOS 26 offer more variety, allowing users to change the look and feel of their interface. This includes new dark mode features and accent color options, giving users more control over their iPhone's appearance. iOS 26 is set to revolutionize the way you interact with your device, thanks to its cutting-edge AI integration and Siri improvements. This update brings significant enhancements to Siri, making it more intuitive and capable than ever before. With AI-powered features, iOS 26 streamlines your daily tasks, making your iPhone experience more efficient and personalized. Siri has received a major upgrade in iOS 26, with improved natural language processing and contextual understanding. You can now ask Siri more complex questions and receive more accurate responses. For instance, you can ask Siri to remind me to call John at 5 p.m. or show me the latest news on Apple's stock price. Siri's enhanced capabilities also include on-device AI processing. iOS 26 introduces on-device AI processing, which enables your iPhone to perform tasks more efficiently and securely. By processing AI tasks on device, Apple has minimized the need for cloud-based processing, ensuring that your data remains private and secure. This results in faster performance and improved overall user experience. AI-powered app suggestions and automation. The AI-powered app suggestions and automation features in iOS 26 help you streamline your daily routine. Based on your usage patterns, your iPhone can suggest relevant apps and actions, making it easier to access the tools you need. For example, if you regularly check your email at a specific time every day, your iPhone can suggest the Mail app at that time. With these AI-driven features, iOS 26 is set to revolutionize the way you interact with your iPhone. Whether you're using Siri, automating tasks, or accessing suggested apps, you'll experience a more efficient and personalized iPhone experience. iOS 26 brings a host of new privacy and security enhancements designed to safeguard your personal information. With a focus on protecting user data, Apple has introduced several key features that provide greater control and security. The new privacy controls in iOS 26 give users more flexibility in managing their data. You can now customize your privacy settings to suit your needs, ensuring that your information is only shared with the apps and services you trust. iOS 26 includes enhanced data protection features that ensure your information remains secure. With advanced encryption methods, your data is better protected against unauthorized access, providing peace of mind when using your device. Security feature updates. The security feature updates in iOS 26 are designed to keep your device and data safe. This includes improvements to password management and app permissions, making it easier to manage your security settings. Password management. iOS 26 introduces improved password management features, allowing you to generate and store unique, complex passwords for all your accounts. This enhances security by reducing the risk of using weak or duplicate passwords. App permissions. With iOS 26, you have more control over app permissions, enabling you to limit the data shared with apps. This feature helps prevent apps from accessing sensitive information without your consent. Camera and photo app upgrades. With iOS 26, Apple has significantly upgraded the camera and photo editing capabilities, offering users a more versatile and powerful toolset. These enhancements are designed to improve the overall photography experience on iOS devices. The Camera app in iOS 26 introduces several new features and modes that give users more flexibility when taking photos. Some of the notable additions include a night mode enhancement for better low-light photography, a new portrait mode effect that allows for more professional-looking photos, and an advanced zoom feature that enables users to capture distant subjects with clarity. Photo editing improvements. iOS 26 also brings significant improvements to the photo editing capabilities. Users can now enjoy more intuitive editing tools, including advanced filters and adjustment options that allow for finer control over the editing process. Additionally, the update includes a new one-touch editing feature that simplifies the process of applying popular editing styles to your photos. Media organization and sharing tools. Managing and sharing your photos and videos has become easier with iOS 26. The update includes enhanced media organization features, such as improved album management and a more intuitive interface for finding and sharing your media. Users can also benefit from enhanced sharing options, including the ability to share photos and videos directly to social media platforms and other apps. Feature description. Benefit. Night mode enhancement. Improved low-light photography. Better photos in low light. Advanced zoom. Capture distant subjects with clarity. More detailed photos from a distance. One-touch editing. Simplified editing process. Quick and easy photo editing. With iOS 26, Apple has significantly revamped the Messages and FaceTime features, offering a more seamless and engaging communication experience. This update is designed to enhance how users interact with each other, making it more enjoyable and efficient to stay in touch. Better video quality. With improved low-light performance. Enhanced audio features, such as spatial audio for a more immersive experience. New features like grid view, making it easier to see multiple participants in a call. Cross-platform capabilities. One of the standout features of iOS 26 is its improved cross-platform capabilities, allowing for smoother communication between iOS users and those on other platforms. This includes: with iOS 26, Apple continues its commitment to health and wellness by introducing new features that track your physical and mental health. The update is designed to provide a more comprehensive approach to well-being, integrating various tools and features that work together seamlessly. iOS 26 introduces advanced health tracking capabilities, allowing users to monitor their daily activity more effectively. The new features include enhanced fitness tracking, providing detailed insights into workouts and daily movements. Users can also track their nutrition and hydration, setting personalized goals and reminders. The update also focuses on mental well-being, introducing guided meditation sessions and mood tracking features. These tools help users manage stress and monitor their mental health over time. Additionally, iOS 26 enhances sleep tracking, offering more detailed analysis of sleep patterns and suggestions for improvement. iOS 26 integrates seamlessly with Apple Watch and other health devices, allowing for a more unified health tracking experience. Users can sync their health data across devices, providing a comprehensive view of their health and fitness journey. This integration also enables personalized health recommendations based on the data collected. Overall, iOS 26's health and wellness features represent a significant step forward in Apple's health initiatives, offering users a more integrated and comprehensive approach to managing their health. With iOS 26, Apple has made significant strides in enhancing the performance and battery life of iPhones. This update is designed to provide a smoother and more efficient experience, addressing the needs of both newer and older devices. One of the key focuses of iOS 26 is on improving the speed and responsiveness of older iPhone models. Apple has optimized the operating system to reduce lag and improve overall performance, making it possible for users to enjoy a seamless experience even on devices that are a few years old. This is achieved through a combination of software optimizations and efficient resource management, ensuring that apps launch faster and run more smoothly. The enhancements are particularly noticeable in everyday tasks such as browsing, messaging, and using productivity apps. By fine-tuning the performance of older devices, Apple ensures that users can continue to get the most out of their iPhones without feeling the need to upgrade as frequently. In addition to speed improvements, iOS 26 also brings significant enhancements to battery life and management. Apple has introduced new power-saving features and optimizations that help extend the battery life of iPhones, allowing users to go longer between charges. These features include more efficient background processes, improved low-power mode functionality, and better battery health management. Users can also benefit from more detailed battery usage statistics and insights, helping them understand which apps and activities are consuming the most power. This information enables users to make informed decisions about their usage habits and adjust their behavior to maximize battery life. With iOS 26, Apple has revamped the App Store, introducing new features and tools for developers. This update is designed to enhance user experience and provide developers with more robust capabilities to create engaging apps. The new App Store features in iOS 26 include improved app discovery algorithms, making it easier for users to find new and relevant apps. Additionally, the update introduces a more streamlined app update process, ensuring users have access to the latest app versions. The App Store now also offers enhanced editorial content, featuring stories about apps and developers. iOS 26 brings significant updates to developer APIs, enhancing the functionality and performance of apps. The iOS 26 API updates include new frameworks for integrating advanced features such as augmented reality and machine learning into apps. Furthermore, Apple has improved the developer tools, providing more detailed analytics and debugging capabilities to help developers optimize their apps. iOS 26 brings a plethora of exciting features and improvements to your iPhone, making it a significant update that's worth exploring. With the latest iOS 26 update, you can experience a redesigned user interface, enhanced AI capabilities, and improved privacy and security features. As rumors surrounding iOS 26 rumors have indicated, this update is a game changer, offering something for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to stay up to date, iOS 26 is definitely worth considering. The question remains, is it iOS 26 worth the upgrade? With its numerous enhancements and new features, the answer is a resounding yes. From AI-powered app suggestions to enhanced health and wellness features, iOS 26 is designed to make your iPhone experience more intuitive and enjoyable. So, if you're wondering whether to upgrade to iOS 26, the verdict is clear: it's a must-have update for anyone looking to elevate their iPhone experience.